Hello my dear students, welcome to chemistry online class. In the last class we have discussed properties, uses and composition of air. Today I am going to discuss some activities related with air. Let's start today's session. We can go through the activity that mentioned in your textbook, page number 148. To show that air is present everywhere, things required: empty plastic glass or empty bottle, bucket full of water. Next we can go through the procedure. Take an empty glass and look at it carefully to ensure that there is nothing inside the glass. Turn the glass upside down to further ensure that there is nothing in the glass. Now, take a bucket full of water and dip the open mouth of the empty glass in it as shown in the animation. Then what do you observe? You will observe that water does not enter the glass. Next, tilt the glass a little in the bucket as shown in the animation. As soon as you tilt the glass, water enters the glass making a bubbly sound. It was because of the air present in the glass. When the glass was kept upside down, even though glass is empty, the air is present inside the glass. That air did not allow the water to enter the glass. Also, the air can't escape into outside. When the glass was tilted a little, the air inside the glass got space to escape from the glass, making a bubbly sound. Air escaped in the form of bubbles. So this activity proves that air is present everywhere. This activity also proves that air occupies space. Air needs space to occupy. Today we are going to discuss the necessary element of life, air. As all we know that oxygen present in the air needed for breathing. What else it needed for? Let's find out. Here I am going to demonstrate an experiment. Air is needed for burning. The things requiring for these experiments are candle, glass and matchstick. Let's start this experiment. First I lightening the candle. Now you can see that the candle continue to burn. Next I am going to cover the candle with a glass, with an inverted glass. Now the flame has become dim, finally extinguished completely. Children, do you know what's the reason behind it? Okay, let's see. until the time the air is present for the candle to continue to burn. But when we cover with glass, the air is blocked. The limited oxygen present help it for burning. When the oxygen was finished, it extinguished completely. That means the only one component in the air support for burning. That is oxygen. Even though glass contain air, the candlelight extinguished. This activity shows how oxygen is essential for burning. Activity 3. Sunlight is allowed to pass through narrow opening of a dark room. Then you can observe tiny shiny particle present in that beam. This activity shows that air contains dust particles. During winter season, you might have observed similar beam of sunlight in between the trees. In this case also you can confirm the presence of dust particle in the air. Air is present everywhere. As we go higher and higher above the surface of earth, the thickness of air becomes less. At the top of high mountains, oxygen is less. That's why mountaineers carries oxygen cylinders with them. Let me conclude today's session. Here we discussed many activities related with air. So I request you to try all these activities in your home. All these are simple activities, so you have to try and realize the fact. So we will meet in the next session. Thank you.